Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Faith. If you're new here, please consider joining my family by subscribing and hitting the bell next to it so you can be notified when I upload again. If you like what you see, please give this video a thumbs up. Throughout the video, you're going to see all of my social media links to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I used to be an Avon representative, but not anymore. Well, I probably still am. I just haven't sold anything for a really long time. Life's been really difficult, and in this video you're going to see me kind of looking a bit swollen and puffed out, but it's because I was sick last week with the flu, and I'm pretty sure that's probably not good for someone that has lupus like me. So it kind of made me all puffed out and sore and swollen in areas that I don't like to be puffed out, sore and swollen, like my face, for instance. It makes me look 10 times bigger than I really am. But anyways, I just thought I'd come on here and show you a little bit of cleaning routine. You guys, I did wipe down the surfaces in this video of my room and the family room, but for some reason I thought it was recording and it was not. And I just really did not feel like re-wiping everything down on video just for the purpose of it. So, but I did wipe them down. I didn't just vacuum and make my bed and vacuum. I wiped everything down. I just forgot to record. Sorry. Yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending. You guys, that water bottle is my absolute favorite water bottle. I love it because it helps me to stay hydrated and reminds me, because it's so big and it's just boom out there, reminds me to keep drinking. You guys, I will be honest, I do not start my day out every day with Bible reading and prayer like I should, but on the days that I do Bible reading and prayer, I feel really great. And see, this is what I was talking about. My face is pretty swollen right here, but I just literally, like a few days ago, just literally got over having the flu and still kind of feeling tired and pretty weak. So I'm just taking it day by day slowly and trying to rehydrate again after not being able to hold anything down. Anyways, I'm reading the Bible here, and then after I shut the camera off, you guys, I did pray and it felt good. So kind to me, and oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I'm found, leaves the 99, and I couldn't earn it, and I don't deserve it. Still, you give yourself. You know, it's always good to start one's day out with prayer and Bible reading. Although that doesn't happen for me very often, but it is a good habit to get into. Let me tell you, it is so good. It feels good when you do it. Your day turns out better. You're not as moody, and it seems like it goes smoother when you pray and read your Bible first. Am I right? Anybody comment below if you agree with me, or tell me your experience.
Shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. There's no wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me.
Well guys, my bed's still in the corner. I need to move it though, but it's so heavy. I don't think I could do it by myself. I gotta get some help, or maybe if I do it by myself, it's gonna take a while. And plus I have to figure out how I'm going to record it, because I do want to record the process for you guys. Maybe I'll just move it and then do a reveal after I do it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, because this bed is so ginormous, it's crazy. I also need to get a frame that fits it properly before I do that, because this one is sitting sort of half-heartedly on a frame. I'm afraid it hasn't fallen apart by now. Anyways, I do want to move it because it's so hard to move a bed like this. As you can see, I do struggle because this bed is so huge. And I'm, you know, short girl status. Anybody else have that problem? Okay guys, you're gonna see that I'm gonna change clothes here in a second, because yes, I was still in my PJs, because yes, I didn't do anything until after I had prayed and read my Bible. I made my bed, then I decided to get dressed, and then I decided to start cleaning. It was after I did that. That came first. It always feels good when I can sit down and talk to God. But yes, you're going to notice that I do have a different set of clothes on in these next few clips because I did change. I'm not still wearing my pajamas anymore. Okay guys, I do not own rights to these songs. Reckless Love is what you were just previously hearing is by Corey Asbury, and then Trust in You is by Lauren Daigle. I love these two songs. They speak into my life and give me courage and hope, knowing that God is always with me and that He has his unending love is forever and ever and amazing.
I've tried to win this war, I confess. My hands are weary, I need your rest. Mighty warrior, king of the fight. No matter what I face, you're by my side. When you don't move the mountains, I'm needing you to move. When you don't part the waters, I wish I could walk through. When you don't give the answers as I cry out to you, I will trust, I will trust, I will trust in you.
So the filter piece on the vacuum kept falling out. I'd taken it out to see if it needed cleaning because I had cleaned out the other part of the vacuum before I started the video, and then I didn't realize it kept falling out, and I was getting so irritated and frustrated, like, why is it falling out? And what I didn't realize is that I kept putting it on backwards. It wasn't until like right before here that you see me put it on right and it doesn't fall out again. I'm like, oh, that's why, because it was on backwards. Whoopsie. Okay guys, see that big trash bag there? That was all the stuff that I put in there after wiping down all the surfaces. And like I said, I thought I was recording it. Apparently not. Obviously, I was still tired doing this. I looked tired anyways. It took me a lot of work, you guys. I was sweating really hard. And it doesn't even look like I did much, but I did do a lot. I did. My bathroom still smells like Clorox today. And this is the next day. Okay, you're seeing kitty litter on the toilet because, yes, I do have the kitty litter box in my bathroom. Number one, because it's the spot where I'll know if I see it, I'll remember to dump it and keep it clean. And two, because the laundry room needs to be reorganized again. And three, the spare room needs to be reorganized again because my sister's stuff is in there and it's not organized at all. But I hate cleaning the tub. The tub is my least favorite thing, as you're going to see. In the next clip, I'm going to say I despise cleaning the tub, and I put a thumbs down because boo, it stinks. On the plus side, though, it's still clean, and my bathroom still, like I said earlier, smells like Clorox. How many of you hate the overpowering smell of Clorox? I don't mind it because at least I know my place is clean. Comment down below if you don't like the smell of Clorox. You guys, I think it's like so amazing how dirty your toilet can look after just 1 week. I mean, I clean my toilet weekly, sometimes daily. But I mean, I felt like it was super dirty. But then I scrubbed everything down with Clorox though, because I was just sick and I wasn't about to get sick again. And you saw me checking my shirt there because I forgot that I wasn't wearing something that wasn't stain free, and that I was going to be wearing around during the day outside my house. I looked at my shirt to double check and it wasn't. I didn't get a stain on it. Yay. But anyways, you guys, I think the video is nearing the end, so I'm going to go ahead and let you watch the rest of it. I do want to thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can be notified when I upload again. And give this video a thumbs up and give me a comment down below. Let me know how you enjoyed it. If you want to see something else from me, like a day morning routine or evening routine or a day in the life or a vlog, just let me know in the comments below. Alright, thank you all for watching. God bless and have a great day. Okay, so I know I said I was going to be done, but how cute is the cat in this video? Like, you'll see she was on my bed, and then you're going to see her as I back up. She's going to come walking out. It's not my cat, you guys. This is my sister's cat. She just couldn't take her with her, but, you know, I'm not sure I'm going to let her take her because I have grown attached to the cat. I really love the cat. The cat is she's so cute, and she loves to cuddle. She sleeps right by your feet, and if you move, she'll scoot closer to your feet and stay warm that way. And the cat absolutely loves my mirror. One of these times I'll have to see if I can get her in action on video. She loves my mirror. She'll go up to the mirror and bat it like she's fighting someone, but it's herself, and she's really cute. But you guys, I really had fun filming this video for you, and I enjoyed having the cat pop in the video too. She was saying hi to you guys too, whether she knew it or not. But anyways, I know I said I was going to be done. The next few clips you're going to see after this are going to be clips of what we had for dinner, and it was loaded baked potato soup. You guys, all I did was use 32 ounces of Southern style potatoes, a big can of cream of chicken, 4 cups of chicken broth, and some cheddar cheese and cream cheese and bacon. I cooked the bacon till it was crisp and chopped it up and put it in the soup. Cooked it all in the crock pot for about 3 to 4 hours. And you guys, it was delicious. So delicious. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the film and enjoy seeing the soup. If you want to see me cook that soup, let me know in the comments below. Thanks.